Have you ever heard about electric toothbrush that can only be charged once in a year? That's right, I'm holding a new style of electric toothbrush, the Nandme NX7000. So this professional electric toothbrush keeps your teeth white and shiny in a gentle way and not only need to be charged once per year. So long story short, let's see what is inside, right? Yeah. Right here. So as you can see, it has a main body, 2 head brushes, Type-C charger, and the manual. It's pretty simple. How it comes is only needs to be charged only once in a year. Because the Nandme NX7000 adopts the first patented central axis sonic motor technology, which can reduce the operating current loss, and is equipped with the 2600 mAh large capacity battery to easily achieve 365 days of long battery life. So now let's talk about its performance. The Nandme NX7000 has 15 different brushing modes, which are sensitive, clean, white, polishing, and massage. And the 3-speed intensity can be adjusted to meet different brushing needs. Nandme toothbrush uses smart technology like 30 seconds on charging reminder and 2-minute smart timer will stop brushing when it's finished, which is perfect to maintain your oral hygiene. Each Nandme NX7000 head brush is rounded DuPont bristle that takes care of your gums. While the whole body is IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it with a complete peace of mind when bathing or showering. The most important point is that any product quality problem can enjoy a 3-year free replacement service. This also proves that how confident Nandme manufacturers are in their products. In addition, there is an upgraded version of Nandme NX7000, which is equipped with a total 12 brush heads. Let me show you. Right here. So if you buy, you can just forget about head brushes for 3 years. It's absolutely king of cost-effective performance.